Good day, everyone. Today I'm going to discuss about analyzing data in Excel. Analyze data in Excel empowers you to understand your data through natural language queries that allow you to ask questions about your data without having to write complicated formulas. In addition, Analyze data provides high-level visual summaries, trends, and patterns. Now, there are 5 easy methods in analyzing data in MS Excel. Method 1. Using pivot tables to analyze data. Select your whole data set from the worksheet and click the Analyze Data option from the Home tab. There will be a task pane on the right of your worksheet. Under Discover Insights, click Insert Pivot Table. A new sheet will be created with the pivot table. Method 2. Using charts to analyze data. You can also get chart options of different types from this feature. Steps. Prepare the grade sheets of learners for Quarter 1 and Quarter 2. Select the table. Open the Analyze Data task pane. Choose Insert Chart. A new chart will be created. Method 3. Using graphs to analyze data steps. 1. Open the Analyze Data task pane. 2. Choose Insert Chart. 3. A new graph will be created. Method 4. Asking questions for custom result steps. 1. Open the Analyze Data task pane. 2. Choose Ask a question about your data. 3. The answer will appear below the question bar. 4. Choose Insert Pivot Chart if needed. And Method 5. Using the Suggested Questions list. Steps. 1. Open the Analyze Data tab. 2. Just below the search question bar you will see Suggested Questions. 3. Choose any of the suggested questions. That would be all, and thank you for watching.